Asterisk high above the clouds, where the air thins and temperatures drop to extreme levels. Flies one of the fastest and most feared interceptors ever created, the Mikoyan MiG-31. It is a guardian of the skies, a machine specifically engineered to hunt down threats long before they ever reach Russian borders. Today, we dive deep into the incredible story and power of the MiG-31, a jet that still dominates the high-altitude battle space even decades after its first flight. Asterisk, the MiG-31 traces its roots back to the iconic MiG-25 Foxhound, a Soviet interceptor built to counter the threat of American high-speed reconnaissance aircraft like the SR-71 Blackbird. But the MiG-25 had its limitations. It was fast, yes, but it lacked agility and advanced targeting systems. The Soviet Air Force needed something more lethal, more intelligent, and more capable of dealing with new threats like cruise missiles and stealth aircraft. The answer arrived in 1975, the MiG-31 Foxhound. Asterisk, this aircraft was designed like a Predator, sleek, muscular, and powerful. It is nearly 22 meters long and has a wingspan of over 13 meters. With two massive D3 OF6 afterburning turbofan engines, the MiG-31 can reach incredible speeds of up to Mach 2.83. That's almost 3,500 kilometers per hour. At these speeds, the MiG-31 doesn't just chase targets, it intercepts them before they even know what's coming. Asterisk, unlike most fighter jets built for dogfighting, the MiG-31 was built for dominance at altitude. It can soar above 20,000 meters, higher than commercial airliners, and operate in the harshest environments, from the Arctic to the deserts. Its rugged frame and powerful radar allow it to monitor huge areas of airspace, which is essential for defending a country as vast as Russia. Asterisk, one of the most impressive features of the MiG-31 is its Zoslin phased array radar system. When it entered service, it was the first fighter in the world to use such technology. This radar can track up to 24 targets at once and engage up to 8 of them simultaneously. Imagine a sky packed with threats: bombers, drones, cruise missiles, the MiG-31's. Radar sees them all and strikes with precision. Asterisk, because of this advanced technology, MiG-31s often don't operate alone. They fly as a team. A group of 4 MiG-31s can coordinate radar coverage across a massive 1,000-kilometer area, acting like an airborne shield wall. If one detects an enemy aircraft sneaking in low altitude or far away, the others can respond instantly. This capability makes the MiG-31 one of the most effective early warning and interception platforms ever created. Asterisk, but radar alone doesn't win battles. You need firepower. And the MiG-31 carries some of the most powerful air-to-air missiles in the world. The highlight,
Falcon
the
1-1 status check
R-33
green.
and its improved version, the
Engaging maneuver,
R-37M.
accelerating now.
These missiles are long-range killers, able to hit
Systems check looks
targets
good.
more
We're
than
clear for
300
takeoff once you're
kilometers
inside.
away.
Roger that.
If a hostile
All report once
aircraft
strapped
spots a
in.
MiG-31 on radar, it's probably already too late. The missile is coming. Asterisk, the MiG-31 is also equipped with a 23mm cannon for close-range engagements. But let's be honest, this aircraft prefers to take down enemies long before a dogfight ever starts. Its mission is about precision
Falcon 1-1
interception,
status
not
check green.
agile maneuver combat.
Engaging
Asterisk
maneuver,
over its service
accelerating
life.
now.
The MiG-31 has evolved into different
Falcon
variants to
1-1
keep up
status
with new
check
threats.
green.
The MiG-31B
Engaging maneuver,
added improved
accelerating now.
avionics and weapons. The MiG-31BM became even smarter, a true multi-role fighter, capable of striking ground targets with advanced guided weapons. Russia continues to modernize its fleet, ensuring that these jets remain relevant in modern warfare. Asterisk, one particularly interesting variant is the
Falcon 1-1 status check
MiG-31K,
green.
a version modified to carry
Engaging
the
maneuver,
hypersonic
accelerating
Kinzel
now.
missile. This missile can travel at speeds up to Mach 10
Systems check
and
looks
strike
good. We're clear for
high-value
takeoff once
targets,
you're inside.
like
Roger that.
aircraft
All
carriers
report
and
once strapped
strategic
in.
bases. Suddenly, the MiG-31 is not just defending, it is threatening enemy defenses deep behind front lines. The combination has become a major concern for NATO planners.
Systems check looks good. We're clear
Asterisk,
for takeoff
another
once you're
fascinating
inside.
project
Roger that.
was the
All report once strapped
MiG-31D. Designed as an anti-satellite platform, yes, you heard that right, the MiG-31 was engineered to shoot down satellites orbiting the Earth. Just think about the level of strategy
Systems check
involved,
looks good. We're clear for
controlling
takeoff
not
once you're
just the
inside.
skies,
Roger that.
but outer
All report
space.
once strapped in.
Asterisk, even today, The MiG-31 remains one of the world's fastest operational combat aircraft. Many modern fighters slowed down in favor of stealth and agility. But the MiG-31 kept its raw speed because speed remains a powerful weapon. It allows rapid response, surprise engagement, and the ability to chase down anything that dares to intrude.
Status check green.
Asterisk Russian pilots who fly
Engaging
the
maneuver,
MiG-31
accelerating now.
describe it as a machine that demands respect. Its engines are so powerful that the aircraft accelerates like a rocket. The cockpit holds 2 crew members, a pilot, and a weapons systems officer.
Falcon 1-1
Teamwork
status
is
check
essential
green.
because the jet processes so
Engaging
much
maneuver,
data and
accelerating
engages
now.
long-range threats, requiring quick decision-making and
We're clear
smooth
for takeoff once
coordination.
you're inside.
Roger that.
Asterisk,
I'll
the
report
jet's
once strapped in.
durability is also remarkable. Built to withstand the harsh Siberian climate, it can operate from remote air bases with minimal support. That is a key advantage, considering Russia's enormous landmass
Systems check
and
looks good. We're
often
clear for takeoff
unpredictable
once you're
weather
inside.
conditions.
Roger that.
This is a
I'll
jet
report
that can
once
take
strapped
off
in.
in freezing temperatures when most aircraft would be grounded. Asterisk. While many nations have retired their interceptors, Russia continues to rely strongly on the MiG-31. It fills a unique role that no other aircraft has fully replaced. It stands as a sentinel, scanning the skies, boosting air defense networks, and
Falcon
responding
1-1
to threats
status
instantly.
check green.
Asterisk in modern conflicts
Engaging
and
maneuver,
patrol missions.
accelerating now.
MiG-31s are seen flying near NATO
Systems
borders,
check looks good. We're clear for
including the
takeoff once
Arctic
you're inside.
region where
Roger that.
strategic
I'll report
competition
once
has
strapped
grown
in.
intense. Their presence alone sends a clear message. Russia's airspace is protected by one of the fastest and most capable interceptors ever built. Asterisk, as aerospace technology evolves, the MiG-31 will eventually hand over its role to new designs like the rumored MiG-41. But until that day comes, the Foxhound
Falcon
remains
1-1
a key
status
player
check
in
green.
global air power. It is a reminder
Engaging
that
maneuver,
sometimes
accelerating
raw
now.
speed, powerful radar, and massive missiles
check
are
looks good.
exactly
We're
what
clear
you
for
need
takeoff once you're
to
inside.
control
Roger
the
that.
skies.
I'll report once strapped in.
Asterisk, the MiG-31 isn't just a relic of the Cold War. It's a symbol of engineering mastery and strategic importance. An aircraft created to dominate high-altitude warfare and guard one of the largest nations on Earth. Even today, when pilots climb into the cockpit of a MiG-31 and ignite those engines, they know they are flying
Falcon
a
1-1
legend, a
status
legend
check
that
green.
still watches, still
Engaging
intercepts,
maneuver,
and still
accelerating
rules
now.
the skies.